Hello everybody, greetings from Sterling International Consulting, the largest ISO certification consulting company in UAE. Now we have been regularly talking to you through YouTube by providing regular updates to you on different ISO standards, different implementation mechanisms and tools and techniques that can be helpful to you to implement your project more effectively, efficiently and in an easy manner. In this edition of YouTube update, we are going to talk about the fundamental standard ISO 9001. Now, as the largest and most sought after renowned ISO consulting company in UAE, we thought this is the right time to address a very important question for you all. That is, how can my company get ISO 9001 certificate? So this YouTube update is specifically dedicated for companies in UAE, in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi to help them get ISO 9001 certificate. If your company is looking for ISO 9001 certificate in UAE, if your company is looking at ISO 9001 consultant in UAE, Dubai or Abu Dhabi, this YouTube update video is for you. What you can do? If you want to get an ISO certificate for your company, what is the first step? The first step is you need to get in touch with us. Send us an email at info@uaeiso.com. We will send you the entire project methodology, mechanism, implementation steps and the costing. Now, depending on size of your company, nature of your business and locations to be covered under the scope of ISO 9001 certificate, the time period will vary. If you work at normal speed of implementation, the process can be completed in around 2 to 3 months time. As an organization, we will start your ISO 9001 certification project with awareness training, followed by gap analysis. On the basis of gap analysis, we will carry out the documentation, implementation and the required manuals, procedures, work instructions, templates, formats. As an organization, we give very strong emphasis on internal auditing. So we will help you create a strong internal auditors team for your company. These internal auditors will carry out internal audit, first round. We will provide our assistance and guidance so that they can carry out internal audit effectively. After internal audit, we will do a pre-assessment audit for a company. And then depending on your selection and your choice and preference, we can invite the certification body like Bureau Veritas, DNV, Lloyds, TUV or any other certification body that you have preference for. They will come over, audit, check the compliance and issue the certificate. So this entire process, we will be your mentor, we will be your partner and we will be there with you from stage 1 till you get the certificate process completed successfully. You are requested to contact us for ISO 9001 certification or ISO 9001 consulting in any of the Emirates and UAE. We are available in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Al Ain, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah and all the Emirates. Thank you very much and we look forward to partner your ISO 9001 certification initiative in UAE. Thank you.